Hi guys. Hey, this is the first What Did You Buy Wednesday that I've ever done. Pretty cool concept. Except I usually don't have any money to go buy anything. But today I said to hell with it. Um, Went into Ollie's to get some hooks for 99 cents because I got my B25 just about done, and then the B52 with the X15 build. I just got to paint it. But I went by the models, of course, to see if they had anything new, and lo and behold, I could not say no to the Fast and the Furious 71 GTX. Um, Pretty cool. Um, I opened it up just a minute ago. I haven't taken the top off it, but I was trying to get the glare off of the lights toned down a little bit, and that didn't work so well. I love the car, other than I don't like the wheels. I hope it's got different wheels. I'm not into gangbanger wheels, low profile wheels. I just don't like them. I'm a 15-inch, uh, rally wheel or sport wheel or Krager's or whatever kind of guy. But anyway, for $12.99 at Ollie's, they had the Fast and the Furious. They also had a pink Ford Thunderbird, but I just couldn't buy it. So, but might as well do an unboxing with this too, since I ended up having to open it up. Oh wow! I thought it'd be molded in black. Well, now that's cool. Okay, very cool. It's in white. Get your clear parts, tires. Okay, cool. There must be. Okay, there's 4 different sets of tires here. So that must mean that there's 4 different sets of wheels. If that's the case, then I'm a happy camper. Cool. Um, yeah. Oh man, this thing's got a bunch of parts. Well, it's a Revell. What can you expect? Yeah, it's got them big old fucking nasty. I can't stand them. But we are saved because there are what appear to be the rally wheels. Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I just have never been in low profile wheels. I can't. I just can't do it. But yeah, so that's my Would You Buy Wednesday. Like I said, I've never done one before, but pretty cool concept. Um, yeah, it's just got so much going on. Kids trying to get stuff done. And I got the NASCAR group build I got to get finished up. I got planes. I got this. I got that. I got all kinds of stuff. So, yeehaw. There's decals. Oh, that's cool. It's gold. It looked like white on the box, but very cool. I like it. The GTX emblems. Awesome. Works for me. Very much like that. Of course, all your colors. Woohoo, the engine. Gotta love it. Yeah, you can do your stock wheels. Okay, I'm happy. Yeah, awesome. Cool. And all suspension parts and pieces. Cool. Interior decal. Oh, okay. Awesome. It's got gauges. Awesome. I love when they do that because I just cannot paint gauges. I have never been able to successfully do it where they look decent. Man, this is sweet. I might end up having to bump this one up a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, definitely like it. I've been wanting to get the Daisy Duke one. Okay, here it's got for Dom's paint scheme, which I could still do Dom's paint scheme, but then on this one it's got a totally different one here. I don't know what color that's supposed to be, but either way, cool. But yeah, I actually like the Dom's paint scheme. I just can't stand the wheels. Anyway, oh well. There again, you know, that's the fun about model building. You don't have to build it like they say to build it. You know, you can always do them up your way. But yeah, so this is gonna be a fun one. Along with the 20 million other things I have going. Got the Vega for the group build on that, the drag racing one. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun here. But now I just had to show you guys this. Totally unplanned. Like I said, I went in to get hooks for 99 cents and go over and get a bottle of orange paint for the B52 to do the stripes and stuff. And yeah, ended up walking out with this. So, oh well, what do you do? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned. More fun stuff to come. Thanks, guys.